Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a couple little just talking to give you guys a little more information on hair care in general, a little more information about me as a human. First of all, hi, I'm Carly. You're watching Dirty Hair Diaries. I am a professional hairstylist. I've been in the industry for 9 years now. I work at a little salon in Old Town Fort Collins called The Parlor. I am an educator. I teach for a brand called Unite. I teach for The Parlor and our assistant program. I teach long hair dressing, so like upstyling, bridal style, that kind of thing. I teach women's hair cutting. I teach product knowledge, and I also teach some of our business classes. So that's kind of my background. My life is chaotic. I have a full-time job. I'm a wife. I'm a mother of 2 small children. I have 2 boys. I have a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. My 4-year-old tell you that he's 4.5. So I have a 4.5-year-old and a 13-month-old, if you want to get real specific. So I get it. Like, I do hair all day. I don't want to spend time in the morning really like doing my own hair, but I have to show up at work and look like I know what I'm doing. Otherwise, people won't take me seriously. So kind of why I started this YouTube channel was just for that exact reason. I'm a busy person, but people are always telling me like, oh, your hair is so pretty, you always look so put together, like how do you have time to do all this? And so that's why I started this channel, because some things about me is I don't wash my hair very often. I wash it like once a week, generally at most, unless there's something crazy going on in my life. And I basically style my hair to hide how dirty it is every single day, because ain't nobody got time for blow drying their hair every day, shampooing it every day, plus the quality of your hair goes way down when you're doing that stuff to your hair every single day. So I have ridic long hair. I love it. I'll probably cut some of it off at some point and we'll all be shocked, but for now I really like how long it is. So I don't have the time in my life to like be doing my hair all the time, but my job requires that I look like I know how to do hair all the time. So that's kind of a little bit about me, and why I started doing this. I have had so many clients over the years that I've done one-on-one tutorials when I'm done cutting their hair or coloring it or whatever, just showing them how to recreate styles at home. It's something that we as hairstylists, I feel like, don't do enough of. You guys walk out of the salon looking amazing, and then the next time I see you 6 to 8 weeks later, you look like me when I get out of bed. And it's not fair. Like, I went to school to learn how to do hair. I grew up with a mom who really didn't care so much about hair. So I never really knew. I have naturally like really straight, lots of really straight, fine hair. So I just never really like had a need to learn how to do my hair. So I didn't know how, like when I went to hair school, I had no idea how to round brush. I had barely any idea how to curl. I never have owned a flat iron. I mean, I do now. I didn't then. And so I think that like a lot of people are in the same boat as I am, where you grew up not really knowing how to do your hair, or nobody ever showed you. And that's what we as hairstylists are here to do, is teach our clients how to look good all the time. And I always tell my clients, like, for very selfish reasons, we should make you guys look good all the time. Like, you need to know how to do your hair so that people are stopping you on the street asking where you get your hair done, so that you tell them that I did it, right? Like, easy marketing on my part. So that's why I'm here, is to show you guys how to do your own hair, how I do my own hair, all of my tips and tricks that I've gleaned over the years, so that you guys can achieve easy, manageable hairstyles at home. So that's my 5-minute spiel about me. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, do all the things, comment, tell me what your favorite hairstyles are, tell me what your pet peeves are, tell me what your struggles are, and I will try to help you with all of them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.